We've all got paperwork, and ScanSnap makes it really easy to get this into your computer. Just scan it and go. Now, if you also configure your ScanSnap settings to scan to a file, save it into a folder that you want, and automatically recognize text and convert to a searchable PDF, you can now search your documents by keyword. Here's an example of ScanSnap automatically recognizing your document. Now, once it's on your computer, what if you want to search by folder? Well, let's take all of our documents and automatically file them. In here, we can take a look at the original document. We can tell that this is a utility bill. Our billing account number, anytime that shows up, let's file that into a new category called Utilities. Great. Let's take a look at this one. This is another utility bill, but for some reason our billing account number didn't show up. But we can also use new words to automatically file things into the right category. How about electric usage? File this into the utilities category. First Bank, we can see that. This is a bank statement. This one's a little harder to read. In the original document, we can see this is our MasterCard statement. So let's use MasterCard as a keyword to automatically file any MasterCard statements. And we're filed. When we take a look at the folder, we can now see categories of bank, and even the dates on these files are taken from the first date recognized in the document. We can see we also got our MasterCard and utility bills. Now, paperwork never stops. We get some more bills, decide we're going to file them. Let's do this again. We've got more things. Drag them to automatically file them. Recognizes a few. This one, though, looks a bit different. It's been recognized as maybe one of two categories. We see it could be a MasterCard or a utility bill. We notice that this is a utility bill, so we click OK. Some more automatically filing. First Bank has a confusion. We know it's a bank statement. Let's take a look at the original document. OK, it did say MasterCard. We had a confusing rule. So let's tell AutoFiler that this is really a bank statement. This one's unclear. You don't always have to put something into a category. We're just going to file this into the certificates category without any rules associated with it. A lot more filing happens on your behalf. And now we see we have the rules set up automatically. The MasterCard rule, you see that it matches MasterCard, but not of any of the things that confused it before. And that is AutoFiler.